All right. Okay. It's going to be doodle time. We are plugged in, aren't we? Yes, we are. Okay. Oh, let's see how well I make this before I pass out, because I'm freaking hungry. Okay. Let's get the Wawa. So today's job, I am going to overhaul config. That entails dry types. That entails merging. That entails config module. So the Swiss Army knife, aka RDF SAK for Swiss Army knife, is let's get that on there. Okay. So right now it's got like a context class. And that's kind of like the central class. And then it's got a document class. And previously, and then it's got like util. Which I've split into clean. I'm trying to write this sideways and messy. And I want to get rid of messy. I think clean is going to get merged into just the util. Document is going to get killed and turned into this thing called representation. I should really, yeah. This is my first time out using my document camera. I think I might, at some point, I might be inclined to move it sideways. Actually, you know what? We could just do that right now. Wanna? Like if we just go like that. Actually, that's not a bad idea. I'll just move you up there. Oh, game changer. Let's keep that out of the frame. Okay, so now I don't have to. I'm just going to move you a little bit over there. I'll move you a little bit Now I can actually like write left-handed and then like not get my hand in the way. Fuck yeah, dude. Sweet. Okay. And then I'm going to break this out as well into a thing called source. And surface. And there is also graph ops. And then there's a resolver. And so, the way that the flow works is so there's going to be a bunch of different sources. Like source is going to be a base class, so let's just put a little B there. This is M for mixin. All of these are just like ordinary classes. I might make a config class, and then we'd need like a types module on top of that. So the idea is that so working back, and this just handles gets, okay, so like working back we'll have the surface. Oops. And there's another thing in here. Let's just put it over here. Transformation. And the idea is that the source punts out a representation which may be transformed. And then that gets rendered onto the surface. That's how this thing wants to work. Ooh, my head's in the way. I should make like, next time I should do like a little, like don't go in there. Yeah. Anyway, so what I need to do before I can do any of this work is I need to redo the config, which means I need to look at the types and the dry stuff. So let's look at that. Oh yeah, right, boy. Gotta go to that, and then I gotta go to that. So, so this is a new config that I want. And it's currently a YAML file. It might stay a YAML file. It might not. I don't know. I don't care. I don't really like have an opinion about YAML. I mean, I do, but I don't love it. But it's good enough for now. Really, like, all I need is the ability to represent a configuration in key value pairs with, like, also a sort of arrays of stuff or lists of things. Anyway, so what I've got is I have a bunch of, like, I was sort of thinking like what I want this thing to be able to do is I want it to have multiple sites. And so, I guess you can't see that because I've already switched the screen. And did I not do the other ones? I didn't, did I? This is the thing with the social media balkanization, is that you freaking forgot that you need to do this everywhere. All right. And of course, as I've been used to, come on. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Stop being itchy right where the lavalier is. Jesus Christ. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Oh, and I can't. Anyway. All right. Okay. Okay. So the idea is I want to be able to have multiple sites. So everything under here, everything under this domain name, and then you can have like whatever. Are you gonna work or not? Okay. Say like that. You got a home directory where all your shit is, or at least like from which all the other things will be relative. And you have, God damn. So these are like stock transformations that happen against this guy. Oh my God, I'm like flagging already. I was like trying to determine if I wanted to eat something before going online. And then I was like, nah, because odds are you're going to eat something, you're going to want to freaking take a nap. And so then I was like, I guess I'd just like not eat. And now I'm like, anyway. So we got our sources, we got our surfaces. So what's going to happen is we're going to need to this good thing is about like the context is going to need to either be mapped. Oh, see, it's the thing is it's not. The context has to yoke together the sources from the point of view of a particular surface. And this, I'm not entirely sure. Or I guess you could just take it from the point of view of the surface, and you won't even need to have a separate source or separate. Yeah. Anyway, let's make that a little bigger. Oops. Oh. I don't know, you know? Yeah, I might do this after I feed myself because I'm going to be like not lasting very long. Yeah, okay, let's come back online at like 8 p.m. Besides, nobody's watching, so yeah, sayonara.